and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. 26/11 attacks lone surviving terrorist Ajmal Kasab's verdict on Monday. Prosecution claims death penalty to Kasab. Nation awaiting the verdict. Manohar Parrikar demands increase in school days and timings. Says timing should not be squeezed as per the convenience of parents. Goa police conduct surprise checks on Sunday evening. Checks on the backdrop of terror threats. All major hotels in the state on alert. Goa government to have desalination project. NCOAR conducts pilot study for the project. Churchill Brothers Sports Club defeat Goan rival Silgaonkar Sports Club by 3-1 in I-League. And all Goa Venceslas Gonçalves volleyball tournament revived. Tournament to begin from 3rd May. 12 teams to feature in floodlit competition. And now the news in detail. The verdict on the lone surviving terrorist in the 26/11 attack, Ajmal Kasab, will be declared on Monday. 17 months after the attack, a court in Mumbai will pronounce its verdict. The court will also decide the fate of 2 alleged Indian conspirators. If held guilty, they may face death penalty. 166 people, including 25 foreigners, were killed and 304 were injured in 26/11 attack.
वो बोलता था जब तक जिंदा रहो मारते रहो। वो बोलता था कि जन्नत में जाओगे। जब घर में कुछ पहनने के लिए नहीं होता है तो बंदा क्या करेगा। मुझे है कि कोशिश करो जिहाद दीन के लिए बस।
नहीं जिहाद मतलब क्या है?
हमने
Terrorists opened fire at Hotel Trident Oberoi, Hotel Taj Mahal, Nariman House, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and Metro Cinema Junction. Kasab, along with 9 slain terrorists, have been charged with killing 166 people at the instance of Lashkar-e-Taiba. Victims included a Goan, Boris Torrego from Diwali, who was working as a chef at Trident Oberoi. The 11,000-page charge sheet filed on February 25, 2008 put Kasab's age as 21, though he claimed to be a juvenile. The Indian duo Fahim Ansari and Sabauddin Ahmed are accused of conspiracy in these attacks. They are alleged to have prepared the maps of terror targets. The trial, which is perhaps the fastest in a terror case in India, had commenced on the 8th of May in a special court set up at Arthur Road Jail, which recorded 3,192 pages of evidence after examining 658 witnesses on 271 working days. 30 witnesses in the court of Judge M.L. Tahaliani identified Kasab as the man who had opened fire at them. During the trial, the court issued non-bailable warrants against 27 absconding accused, including LET's Lakhvi and Hafiz Saeed. Kasab is being held at a specially made bullet and bomb-proof cell in the high-security Arthur Road Central Prison. The whole of India is anxiously waiting for the verdict of this case, which shocked India's commercial capital and the whole world. The prosecution claims Kasab should get the death penalty. Let's wait for the verdict on Monday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar has expressed the need to increase school days and school timing for improving the quality of education. Parrikar feels in Goa, school timings have been squeezed as per the convenience of parents. Centre's compulsory and free education mission has proposed full-day school.
Schools in Goa normally runs for 5 hours every day. Central government is planning to run the school in 2 sessions with a daily 7.5 school hours under compulsory education mission. When Manohar Parrikar was the Chief Minister of Goa, he too wanted school timings to be extended. Now once again Parrikar has expressed need to increase school timings. Parrikar feels if school days and timings are increased, then it can bring quality education.
This is my feeling. I am not making a statement because statement and actual reality may have a lot of difference. because of certain difficulties. I feel that a school should be, and number of days as well as timing both should increase to get a quality education. तशें हांव ताजेर हे करना. There are experts who have given their opinion, but I feel that what we are doing, we have squeezed the school timing as per our convenience. सकाळचे 8 सोडपाक मेळ्ळें, मागीर ऑफिसाक वचपाक मेकळो, दनपारचे जेवंक येता आसतना पिकअप केलो. That is not school. School is the real improvement for the kid, and it should be independent of parents' requirement.
Parrikar says school days have reduced in Goa and so in long run it needs to be changed. He says due to an inadequate infrastructure in the schools, study hours in the school are reduced.
No, that is because infrastructure probably may not be adequate in most of the schools, and you can't apply it to only one school. ना हांव कितली वरां तें सांगिना, पण म्हाका दिसता भुरग्यांक शाळेचो पॅटर्न इन longer term has to be changed, not in short term, not in immediate term. Number of days गोंयांत इतलो कमी जाल्लो आसा की फकाणां जाल्ले. You don't have to impact holidays, पण म्हाका दिसता मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर सुटयो आमी सुटयांचेर राष्ट्र जाल्ल्या.
Many schools across the state lacks proper infrastructure. Parrikar says situation need to be improved. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Police on Sunday evening conducted a surprise check of vehicles across Goa in the wake of terror alert in Delhi. In North Goa, vehicles at 25 strategic locations were stopped and checked. Police have also asked major hotels in the state to be on alert.
Latest intelligence reports suggest fresh terror threats for New Delhi. Ajmal Kasab's verdict is also coming on Monday in Mumbai Special Court. But here in Goa on Sunday evening, Goa police were on their toes. They conducted surprise check of vehicles from 6 to 7 in the evening. This mock drill gave everyone a big surprise. Sources say this check was due to terror alert in national capital. In North Goa alone, checking was conducted at 25 strategic locations. Vehicles were stopped and checked. In Panji, vehicles were stopped near Santa Monica Jetty. This also led to traffic jam for almost 1 hour on this busy route. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Shan.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.